Hello people, this is Jupiter Machine. Bonjour. I wanted to share a quick tip with you. Something I wanted to make for a long time using a 3D modeling tool, and plasticity is the best tool that I kind of use every day because it's such a cool app, and it's easy to come up with a quick 3D model. So recently I've been trying to make this type of cyborg human combined with robot, where you can come up with a quick design using plasticity. But what I notice is right now a lot of people, they use reference with 2D, but me, I wanted to come up with a 3D reference where I start the modeling design with plasticity. So what I did here with this example, this one for example, I use a 3D reference which I brought here in plasticity, where you can I design everything around the model. And if I did that in 2D, that will be kind of the round shape with the volume of the body, or like how thick I need to make the 3D model in plasticity around the reference. Using 2D will be kind of I will be guessing everything, but if I have a 3D model here, if I import a 3D model, it's easier to just make everything in one place and then export, then fit the 3D model with what I design in plasticity. So where you can find a model like this, I use here I use 3D scan store, where you can come and grab your free head model here. You can download it for free with the texturing, with everything here. So if you just want to make a design covering the mouth, and then the eye expression is still visible, so you're still gonna have something realistic, where the design in plasticity is just you can use plastic or metal texturing around it, and that will look pretty sick if you know how to use the lighting and everything. So that was the only quick tip I wanted to share today. If you want, we can make a quick example here. I can start a new one. Start with the cube, then you import. If you come into, where's I find that? So if you download the head model, you can have all the version you want here. This version was not in it, I just create that. So you come into the OBJ, then you grab the head, then you open it, and for instance you can hide the cube or leave it. I leave the cube there. Then you press 1, press 3, then you rotate 90 degree, SS, scale, G to adjust, onto face, and then you can start modeling your character. Then you can make a head of like a TV head or anything, but it easier to just model everything with a 3D in 3D using a 3D model, and that won't slow down your process at all. You just make sure that you press the lock here so your model won't move during the modeling process, and you're good to go. Well, that was the quick tip for the day, and happy design. See you next time.